AERO 2 drone, developed by Swiss innovator Dufour Aerospace, is a cutting-edge hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft designed to meet the growing demand for medium-sized, long-range cargo transport and mission-critical operations. With its advanced tilt-wing design and hybrid propulsion system, the AERO 2 uniquely combines the vertical agility of a helicopter with the cruising efficiency of a fixed-wing aircraft. At its core, the AERO 2 uses a two-cylinder boxer engine to generate electricity for 4 electric motors, enabling vertical takeoff and landing as well as in-flight battery recharging. This hybrid electric system allows the drone to operate independently of ground charging infrastructure, significantly reducing downtime and making it ideal for urgent missions, such as delivering blood, vaccines, and other medical supplies to remote or underserved areas. The drone offers impressive performance capabilities. Payload: up to 40 kilograms for standard missions, up to 10 kilograms for long-range missions. Range: up to 400 kilometers with 40 kilograms payload, up to 1,390 kilometers with 10 kilograms payload. Cruise speed: approximately 150 kilometers per hour. The AERO 2 is built for resilience, featuring triple redundant flight control systems, redundant motors and control surfaces, and an optional parachute system. It also supports advanced sensor payloads including LiDAR, infrared, radar, and multispectral systems, making it ideal for a wide array of operations such as medical cargo transport, public safety and disaster response, border patrol and wildfire monitoring, critical infrastructure and asset inspection. While the AERO 2 is not completely emissions-free, it offers a substantial environmental advantage over conventional helicopters and fixed-wing aircraft. It's also designed to be compatible with sustainable aviation fuels, further reducing its ecological impact in the future. Currently undergoing extensive prototype testing, the AERO 2 is on track for commercial availability, with serial production planned to begin in 2026. Though intended for professional and industrial use rather than consumer markets, the AERO 2 stands out as a highly versatile, efficient, and rugged aerial platform, earning its reputation as the Swiss Army knife of uncrewed aircraft.